Jordan and I live in Topanga Canyon, California. Before we go into the mountains that surround us, we offer our respect to the original people, both the Tongva and Chumash tribes who've protected this land for thousands of years before us. We look forward to hearing and sharing their voices with you on this show very soon. Can you hear the bee buzzing? Wow, these sweet yellow flowers have so many little petals. Would you like to count them with me? Can you see it okay? I'm going to start right here in the middle, so this will be the last petal I count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 petals. I could spend all day watching this spider spin her web with such care. Have you ever watched a spider spin her web? How do you feel about spiders? Hello, Shadow. These flowers are called sticky monkey flower, and I can tell you, they sure are sticky. Today I'm going to offer the mountain my thank you with a little dance. You can dance with me too if you like.